Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Christmas Eve, I hope you're having a fantastic Christmas Eve. Anyway, today I'm going to be unboxing the last 4 days of my advent calendar. I do apologise, it's a little late. So as I say guys, I'm going to be unboxing the last 4 days of the advent calendar. As you can probably tell by my voice, I haven't actually been very well, so I haven't managed to film these yet, unfortunately. I know, I'm so sorry. I really should have done it by now, but basically I've been quite ill with the flu and I've kind of had maybe a bad cold. But basically I've not had much of a voice and it hasn't sounded the best the last few days. So I've kind of not filmed and I've been napping and kind of just feeling a bit crappy. So anyway, I'm going to kind of catch you guys up now and do the last 4 days. I have to say I'm a little disappointed that I've left these kind of so late because 3 of these 4 I was so excited to try for you guys and I had plans to do things, but unfortunately time hasn't worked out, so I'm just going to kind of do this big video now so that you at least get to see them. I think, as I've said in a previous video, I might try and do like a makeup look using a lot of the products, and if not, I can certainly try if anybody's interested in any of the things I've unboxed from my advent calendar, then drop me a comment below and let me know. And I'm so sorry, my voice is horrendous, but bear with me. Anyway then guys, in box number 21 we have this Winky Lux eyeshadow, and it's a Mermaid Kitty palette. It says, oh, it's from the Mermaid Kitty palette. Okay, this one is in the shade Ursula. I'll open it up and you'll see why. Okay, so to start then I'll show you. It's got a cute little cat on the front that looks a bit like a mermaid. Okay, and then inside it's a beautiful purple eyeshadow. Yeah, it's probably going to be too bright. But anyway, it's an absolutely stunning eyeshadow. I'll pop in now just a swatch on my finger. I haven't had a chance to do this in a proper makeup look. In all fairness, I haven't been wearing an awful lot of makeup just because I haven't been bothered the last few days. But it looks absolutely stunning. I'm just going to give it actually a swatch the first time now. And it's like a metallic purple. It's really very nice. I'm looking forward to giving that a try. So when I was trying to find the price of this online, God, in my voice, I'm so sorry. So I tried to find the price of this online, and to be honest, I couldn't really find the singles anywhere other than on Birchbox, and I saw that they had been in a couple of other boxes, so perhaps these were made more as kind of an incentive for a box or something. Anyway, it's part of the Mermaid palette. Was it Mermaid palette? I did write it down. Mermaid Kitten palette, and this is just one of a fair few shades, and that retails at £26. Was it $26? $26, so I couldn't actually find that in English money. But this little single is on the Birchbox website for £6. Okay then guys, the next day is day 22, and in here we have an in-transit camera close-up, and it's a mask, moisturiser and primer in one from This Works. Okay, so I'll just open it up and show you what we have in here. I remember being quite disappointed by this when I opened it in my advent calendar, because you can kind of see that the product only comes up to here. However, I did find this on Beauty Bay, and we get 10 mils in here. On Beauty Bay they're selling 40 mils for £26. So 25 pounds I think, sorry. 26 was the Mermaid palette. So we get 10 mils in here, so we get a decent amount of money's worth. So then let's just read this and see what it claims to be. Again, I do apologise about my voice. So it says, when your wake up call for even, plump and brighter skin in an instant. How? Bio Boost Super Blend with hyaluronic acid, botanical oils and red algae extract. Boosts hydration, tightens and strengthens the skin's resilience to the environment. Why? A multi-action daily moisturiser to defend against environmental aggressors and prep skin for photo perfect makeup. And the directions are to apply to clean skin, including the eye area, and massage until gently absorbed. Skin will feel slightly dewy and perfectly prepped for makeup. Okay, so I'll give that a go when I'm feeling a little better, and hopefully it'll be nice for my skin underneath my makeup. On to day 23, and when I did my big unboxing, this is probably one of the ones I was most impressed with. So here we get a full-sized OPI nail polish. I love OPI nail polish, and I was actually going to try this for you guys. I've got nothing on, I want to do this for Christmas tomorrow. However, purple will probably clash with what I was planning on wearing, so I might give this a little try in the new year and pop up a video. But it's this beautiful, beautiful kind of metallic purple, and it's called And the Raven Cried Give Me More. I do love OPI nail polish names. Anyway, I'm super duper excited to try this. So maybe in the new year I'll do a little video on how I usually do my nails. At the minute they are a bit of a state because they've not been well and the weather's rubbish. So anyway, brilliant product. I couldn't actually find the price of this anywhere online. I couldn't find this to buy. So I guess it's good that we got it in our box. But OPIs tend to be around, I think $13.50 is the usual kind of retail price of a normal polish. But you can usually get them around £10 from somewhere. And OPI is my favourite nail polish brand, so I know we're getting a decent product with this one. Okay, then the very last day on our advent calendar, we have a very big box for a very little product. Okay, inside then we get this Smashbox lipstick. It's kind of like a nice nudie colour. It's called Stepping Out. Here's just a mini version. What does it say? It says it's an always-on liquid lipstick. Not sure how much a little mini version of this costs online. Smashbox is a great brand and I'm looking forward to giving this a try. I'm going to leave it there, guys, because my voice is about to run out, I think, and my throat's kind of hurting. I'm going to go get a drink. So I hope you guys just have the best Christmas or whatever you're doing this festive season, and I will see you afterwards. I will maybe be filming some videos letting you know what I've got for Christmas and things, and maybe a video looking over my year before the new year. Until then, guys, I will see you very soon. So remember to hit that like button and like the video and give me a huge thumbs up if you'd like to. I know I've not done the best job this time round, but make sure you subscribe because hopefully my voice will be back to normal very, very soon and there'll be more videos coming. So I will see you then. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye bye.